Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to delve into herbs to support lymphatic drainage after cleansing. And if you've been following my detox journey, you already know how important it is to support your body post-detox. You know, whether that's a parasite, liver, gut, or even a skin cleanse. What many people forget is how crucial it is to help the lymphatic system, and we often forget about that. And it's overlooked, and a lot of people don't know. Now, this system plays a major role in removing toxins and waste from the body. Now, after any detox, it's important to give your lymphatic system a little extra support. Now, these are just a few of the organic and wildcrafted herbs I've been using for various detoxes, which can be sourced at naturalworkshops.com. And remember, when you're detoxing, there are supportive detoxes, mini detoxes that you need to do after you've done a cleanse. So it's important to be aware of them. So watch these videos to find out what you need to know. And I'll add the link in the description below so that you can source these organic and wildcrafted herbs at naturalworkshops.com. Now, the lymphatic system is like your body's drainage system. It's responsible for filtering out waste, toxins, and other unwanted materials. But unlike the circulatory system, the lymphatic system doesn't have a pump like the heart. Instead, it relies on movement. And it also relies on hydration and sometimes herbal support to keep things flowing smoothly. Now, this is where today's herbs come in. Some herbs that are excellent for lymphatic drainage include burdock root, red clover, and cleavers. Now, these herbs can be consumed in teas, tonics, or even tinctures as part of your daily self-care routine. So let's dive into what each of these herbs does and how you can use them. Now, burdock root is a powerful herb known for its detoxifying effects. It helps cleanse the blood and supports the removal of toxins through the lymphatic system. It also has diuretic properties, helping the body flush out excess water and toxins. And you can make a tea just by using 1 teaspoon of dried burdock root steeped in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. And if you want a stronger extraction, you can bring it to a boil for 10 to 15 minutes and drink 1 to 2 cups a day to support lymphatic drainage. Now, if you're pregnant or have any allergies to plants in the Asteraceae family, like ragweed, please consult your healthcare provider before using burdock. Now, red clover is another wonderful herb for lymphatic health. Now, it's been traditionally used to cleanse the blood and improve circulation. Red clover helps stimulate lymph flow and may also support hormonal balance, making it a great post-detox herb. For red clover, if you're making a tea, I use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried red clover flowers in a cup of hot water. Steep for 10 minutes, and I drink 1 to 3 times a day. Now, if you're on blood thinning medication, pregnant or breastfeeding, red clover may not be suitable for you. Now, cleavers is particularly effective for supporting the lymphatic system by helping to clear out waste and toxins, and it's also a gentle diuretic, so it can help reduce swelling and fluid retention. Cleavers can be made into a tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dry cleavers in hot water for 10 minutes, and you can drink this 1 to 2 times daily to support lymphatic flow. Now, as with any herbal remedy, it's best to consult with a healthcare provider if you're pregnant or taking any medications or breastfeeding. In addition to these herbs, practical lifestyle tips such as dry brushing, Gentle exercise and staying well hydrated can improve lymphatic flow. Now, dry brushing in particular stimulates the skin and encourages lymph movement. Gentle exercises like walking, yoga, or even rebounding, which is jumping on a mini trampoline, can further enhance lymphatic drainage. So supporting your lymphatic system post-detox is crucial in maintaining overall wellness and ensuring your body continues to flush out any remaining toxins. Now, if you want to source organic and wildcrafted herbs, check out naturalworkshops.com and always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any detox or using herbs, especially if you have medical conditions or you're taking medication, pregnant or breastfeeding. Now, if you're passionate about natural health, join our Live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join, filled with fantastic discussions on natural solutions, your questions answered, and it's there for your well-being, and there's remedies too. So thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So for now, be happy, stay healthy, and always be wise. And I'll see you in the next video.